Welcome back. This is the TS-1040C Contractor saw from Baileigh Industrial. This lightweight yet powerful saw has a workable area of 40-inch or 1,015 millimeters by 25-inch or 640 millimeter. It's actually got a right side rip of 30 inches or 760 millimeters. The rip fence actually has a nice lockdown unit that locks it square and parallel to the blade. There's also a nice feature here for fine-tuning that rip fence. There is a scale in inches and in millimeters. So come to the other side. On the other side of the machine, we've got a nice miter gauge. We also have a 4-part safety guard here. There's an anti-kickback on the back. The blade is actually 10-inch or 250 millimeters. And we have a riving knife for a cut through as well as for a dado. So let's go to the front of the machine. On the front of the machine, we actually have a hand wheel with a lock for our blade height. We have a hand wheel with a lock for our miter. There is a nice miter gauge here. We have a simple to use on-off switch, and underneath the machine is actually a 2.5-inch dust port. So let's start this machine up. In a matter of seconds, we're up at full speed. This is a powerful 1.5 horsepower or 1 kilowatt motor on here. It's powered by 110 volts, so it can go to any construction site. So if you want to know more about this great saw, the TS-1040C Contractor saw from Baileigh Industrial, or any of our other products, go to www.baileigh.com. Thanks for joining us.